Let's find out how much you know about the birds using this types of birds app. Okay, the first one is what do you notice here? Is it a mouse bird, falcons, birds of prey, nightjars, frogmouths, and I'm gonna go with falcons. No, those were the diurnal birds of prey. Okay, this one, ceremas, chicken and turkeys, pigeons and dodos, and waterfowl birds. I'm gonna go with the waterfowl birds. That is correct. Okay, this one, I know this should be the hummingbirds and swifts. Okay, what do you notice here? Are these kiwis and extinct birds? Cuckoos, roadrunners, and quails, shorebirds, or crane and rails? Let's go with this one, kiwis. And that is correct. Those were kiwis. Okay, what do you notice here? Hornbills and hoops, cages and sunbearers, cuckoos, and storks. Let's go with the storks here and then vultures. No, those were hornbills and hoops. Okay, this one, is it a mouse bird, falcon, maasai, nightjars, frogmouth, and oilbirds? I'm gonna go with the last option, nightjars. Yep, that is correct. Okay, is it pigeons and dodos, chickens and turkeys, curacos and Platanian eaters, or ceremas? Let's go with the Platanian eaters. No, those were ceremas. Okay, is it loons, horsons, amas, and cassowaries, or kingfishers, roller, and bee eaters? Let's go with the kingfishers, rollers, and no. So these were amas and chaos. Okay. I had to learn a lot about the birds.